If you are an avid Minecraft player, you may have encountered a JNI error has occurred message while playing the game. This error can be frustrating and it may prevent you from playing the game. However, there are some steps that you can take to fix the issue. Hi, my name is Abhiyanshu Rao, and in this video we will discuss on how to fix a JNI error has occurred in Minecraft. Let's start the video. Step 1. Restart your computer. The first step in fixing the JNI error in Minecraft is to restart your computer. This can help reset any settings and processes that may be causing the error. To restart your computer, go to the Start menu, click on the power icon and select Restart. Step 2. Update Java. The JNI error in Minecraft can occur due to outdated or corrupted Java files. Make sure that you have the latest version of Java installed on your computer. You can download and install the latest version of Java from the official website. Step 3. Update graphic drivers. Outdated or corrupted graphic drivers can also cause the JNI error in Minecraft. Make sure that you have the latest graphic drivers installed on your computer. You can download and install the latest graphic drivers from the manufacturer's website. Step 4. Reinstall Minecraft. If none of the steps work, you can try reinstalling Minecraft. This will remove any corrupted file that may be causing the error. To reinstall Minecraft, go to the Start menu, click on Control Panel and select Programs and Features. Find Minecraft in the list of installed programs. Right click on it and select Uninstall. Once Minecraft is uninstalled, download and reinstall it from the official website. Step 5. Contact technical support. If none of the steps work, you can contact technical support for further assistance. They may be able to help you diagnose the issue and provide a solution to the JNI error in Minecraft. Conclusion. In conclusion, the JNI error in Minecraft can be frustrating, but there are steps that you can take to fix it. By restarting your computer, updating Java and graphic drivers, reinstalling Minecraft, and contacting technical support if needed, you can troubleshoot and fix the issue in no time. So don't worry and keep playing Minecraft with ease. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, then don't forget to press the like button. Also do share it with your friends and families. For more videos like these, do subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel. You can read more such amazing blogs on our website. Visit gossipfunda.com. Link is in the description box. Do check it out. See you in the next video.